We thought we'd show you a really simple idea for Halloween. It's this super easy bat costume.
All you need is some fabric, felt, headband, black leggings and a black top. Now if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel.
And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content.
Keep watching and we'll show you how to make it.
You will need some black fabric, black trousers and a long sleeve black top, black felt, black card, a hairband, sewing thread and some craft glue. Lay out your fabric. We've gone for this velvety black stretch because it won't fray and it looks kind of fluffy. Place your black top on the fabric. Cut the fabric to size. It should be the arm span by the length of the top. Fold the fabric and top in half and just quickly check that the proportions are okay. Then mark in pencil a scalloped edge on the back of the fabric from the wrist corner down to the central fold. Cut this out and open it up. Now we're going to sew the wings all the way along the back of the top along here. Pin the wings in place with the velvet side facing the top, then lightly tack the wings in place. This way you'll be able to remove the wings later when you need to. For the ears, add glue to half a piece of black card. Place the felt on top. There should be about an inch of felt without glue on it. These are for your tabs. Turn the card and repeat for the back in the same place, then leave to dry. With the unglued section at the bottom, pencil a bat ear onto the felt. Cut this out and use it as a template to make another one. Trim away the card under the felt tabs. Then arrange the ear on the headband with the tabs on either side. Trim the back tab and fold it underneath the headband and glue it in place. Then wrap the front tab over the top and glue at the back. Repeat for the other ear to finish.
So there we go, a really super simple bat costume for Halloween.
Have a look on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub where there are loads more ideas for Halloween.
Thanks for watching.